Why are support teams drowning in tickets when most users don't even want to contact support in the first place? Today, a single strategy can deflect 30 to 50% of repetitive tickets while actually improving customer satisfaction. The problem is most companies rely on static, unengaging support content, long help docs, static FAQs, or video libraries that are difficult to search through or find answers to immediately. Customers don't want that. They want to solve the issue themselves now. The solution? Interactive product guides. In today's video, I'll show you how interactive product guides cut repetitive tickets in half, where to deploy them for maximum impact, and how to build and scale them in minutes. No engineers, no production team. Stick around to the end for a 5-step rollout playbook and how to deploy this strategy today. Let's start with the problem. Support teams are wasting hours, even days, answering the same questions over and over again. How do I set up this feature? Where do I configure that? Why isn't this feature working? Sound familiar? Now most companies try to solve this with long help docs or static videos. But here's the thing, not everyone wants to read a 3-paragraph article just to fix a setting. Not everyone wants to watch a 5-minute video just to figure out where to click. Customers don't want content, they want solutions, and they want them fast. That's where interactive product guides come in. Instead of dumping text on a page, you show users the exact steps, click by click, inside an interactive guide. It's scalable, it's on demand, and it gives your customers what they really want, immediate answers without the wait. Now you might be thinking, why does this work better than text or video? It comes down to one thing, interactivity. When a customer can actually click through the flow themselves, they're not passively watching, they're learning by doing. Instead of reading an instruction manual, they're guided step by step immediately from point A to B to C. And here's the best part. When users engage with guides like this, they actually retain the information because they've done it themselves. They build confidence and understanding. And that means fewer tickets, less confusion, and way more adoption. So where should you put these guides? Pretty much anywhere your users are running into friction. Inside your help docs or knowledge base. Inside onboarding flows so new users get up to speed faster. Inside error messages so when something breaks, the solution is right there. Even inside chat support so reps can drop a guide instead of typing out the same response 100 times. The beauty here is async support. A customer in New York and a customer in Singapore can both access the same guide instantly without waiting for a support rep in their time zone. And if you're not sure where to start, begin with your top ticket topics. Look at the questions your team gets every single week. Set up integrations, billing, troubleshooting, and turn those into interactive guides. Solve the biggest pain points first, and you'll see tickets drop almost overnight. Now, what I love about these guides is that they are ridiculously easy to create. With a platform like Supademo, you can record a flow once using the Chrome extension. As you click through your app, Supademo automatically converts those clicks into a step-by-step interactive guide. From there, you can edit steps, blur sensitive information, add tooltips, and even create chapters or branching paths. If you want narration, you can add AI voiceovers or record your own. And it requires no engineering, no video production, or waiting on another team member. Anyone on your team can build a guide in minutes, and once it's ready, you can instantly share it anywhere. Embed it in a help doc, drop it in a chat, or link it directly in an email. This is why support teams love it, because it's fast, it's flexible, and it actually works. Now, what if you want to go beyond one-off guides? This is where scaling comes in. With Supademo's showcase collections, you can bundle multiple guides together into one organized experience. Think of it like a mini self-serve help center that's interactive. You can group guides by topics, by persona, or by workflow, whatever makes the most sense for your customers. And with folder sharing, you can send an entire collection of guides in a single link. Imagine sending your customers a getting started pack with a setup, integrations, billing guides, all in one place. This is the ultimate support hack. You're not just answering tickets faster, you're preventing them from happening in the first place. You're empowering users to find their own answers and freeing up your support team to focus on higher value conversations. So here's the takeaway. Support doesn't have to be broken. By replacing static docs and videos with interactive guides, you can cut repetitive tickets in half, boost customer satisfaction, and free your team to focus on what really matters. If you want to make this shift, check out Supademo. It's the fastest way to create interactive guides that scale across support, onboarding, and beyond. The first link in the description gets you started. And before you go, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos on scaling sales, onboarding, and customer success. Also, check out the video on the screen now to see how SaaS companies are using interactive demos to grow. See you in the next one.